everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Becky. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe now by hitting the subscribe button below. If you're not, welcome back. Today you guys are going to learn how to make a cheap and affordable without breaking the bank Easter basket for your kid. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Just an idea, and I actually just kind of thought of this tonight. So they're called treat bags with ties, so they actually have the ties right here. But it's a 25 pack, so if you want to, you could always shove this, and I'll actually do one for you guys. You could shove this with a little bit of straw, just an idea. Put a little bit of candy or put a toy in it, and hide that instead of actually doing a basket. But I got two. I got one with the bunnies on there, the little eggs, and then they're butterflies. So the eggs and the butterflies. So they're both 25 packs. I mean, you can't beat that for $1. So in each one of these, there's 5 coloring cups, 5 coloring tablets, and 1 egg dipper. You can see in there, I'm trying to hold it as an angle so the light doesn't actually shine off the packaging. So got those. You can always use extra. You can use them for, save them for next year. And I thought this was really cute. They are bubbles, like in a little egg formation. That was really super cute. And then we have a Color and Pop Easter egg decorating kit, 5 coloring packs, 5 sponges, 5 sponging trays, and instructions. And I don't know if you guys can see that on the back. They have the trays and the paint and everything there. That's a cool idea. I got another one of the tie-dye. So we have the Easter Bunny egg coloring kit. This would be a lot of fun to do with your babies, your kids. Great projects to have. Great options at the Dollar Tree. I mean, I didn't even expect to find all this stuff. This includes, so as it states right on here, eggs are not included. I'd hope not. They remind me of a bookmarker. Oh, for sure. Yeah, it's a bookmarker. So you got 3 bookmarkers. And they don't say that on here, so I don't know if they're intending, but just kind of an idea for you guys. Right here you have 3 bookmarkers, and then you have 1 4-inch by 6-inch sticker sheet. That is really, really neat. Definitely, I mean, this is only $1. I had to get these. They're pretty. They're shiny. They're silver. They're just, you can put them on the window. I don't know if you guys can see this. I hope you can see this okay, but super cute. It's glitter magnet decor. Used on refrigerators, filing cabinets, metal doors, and lockers. This is an 18 pack of the Happy Easter napkins, and then another 18 pack for party plates. Let's get into some of the candy I got here. I saw these and I just had to get them. 5 lollipop rings. You guys, these are so cute. I wish I had this when we were So I got a couple of the 9-ounce jelly beans, full of sugar. I decided not to get a lot of sugar. I'll actually be filling the baskets with a lot of hard-boiled eggs and that they've decorated and stuff. And then we have Tiger Pops, Easter Pops. They're like in the shape of an egg, and you get 22 pops in 1 bag. That is not bad at all. That is really, really, really a good deal for only $1. 4 of the peanut butter cup, the Reese's peanut butter cup. So, definitely love these when I was a kid. And then I have caramel Easter eggs. Thought they were really cute. I literally got them for the packaging. Packaging is a huge thing for me. Very big attraction. Then I got milk chocolate flavored Easter eggs, and this is a 5-ounce pack. Then I also got speckled jelly beans, and this is a 9-ounce package. It's orange jelly bean, and the packaging is in shape of a carrot. I thought that was really, really cute. I also got 2 of these. They're just the chocolate M&Ms, but I believe they have blue, yellow, and green. Maybe pink, but I know they for sure had purple. Obviously, I bought 2 of them. I also got 1 5-pack of the tiny jelly bird eggs. So 5 packs for $1. Not bad. I also got 2 packs of the malted milk mini eggs. And then what I thought was kind of neat, on the back of them it says to and from, so you can put from Easter Bunny and then to your child's name. Can't forget the chocolate. Gotta have the chocolate, or the chocolate bunny. Never can forget that. What else was I going to show you guys? Oh, I think that was pretty much it for... so some of the toys I got them, they're kind of the cheaper end, but that's okay. And I will show you guys later. I'm actually going to grab a couple books. And I might actually grab a couple books from either Walmart, or I might actually go to Goodwill and grab a couple books, because you can get them for really, really cheap at Goodwill. So I'll kind of go on a little scavenger hunt, and before Sunday comes around, and kind of put them in their basket also. Rakel loves books. She has a whole bookshelf. I'll show you guys that later. Maybe do another video on her room. Give you a room tour of Rakel and Rakel's room. But they love their books, and I read to them every night, at least minimum 1, sometimes 2, depending on how short the book is. But so this was kind of, that was cool. I don't know if you guys ever had one of these. I did. It was a lot bigger. It's spiral art, and you can use that. You draw like really, really cool designs with a pen. So Beauty and the Beast and the Minnie Mouse. So it's shaped gummies and 1 sticker sheet's included. I also got Rakel a Minnie Mouse jump rope. And don't know if you guys remember these Slinkies. Loved them. This is a 2-pack. So if I break them, no big deal. Turn into Rakel. So I got Rakel the Minnie Mouse. I got her Paw Patrol. And I got her 2 Doc McStuffin Rags. Another thing, I did end up getting Rakel her first Easter basket from the dollar store. I thought that was really, really, really cute. And she doesn't have one, so I thought I'd get her one. Little bunnies, some butterflies. It goes for a rectangle cover. I can use it on my actual table that's in my dining room. So I did get quite a bit of eggs. I do like to have the egg hunt, and I do a lot of eggs. So I got 4 packages. These ones are really shiny, and then these ones have a really cool design on them. The other ones, another shiny. They're bigger eggs, so you can actually put hard-boiled eggs into these eggs if you would like, instead of candy. Just an idea. Then you have the bunnies, with a 4-pack. I thought these were really, really super adorable. They're just so cute. So it's clear pink, and they actually have their feet on the bottom. And then I also have the 3-pack of these ones with the little polka dots. Thought they were really cute. I think that was pretty. Thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, you guys have a great night, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.